I've been doing dropshipping for quite a while, and of course, AI has made dropshipping so much easier. But now we have tools that take AI dropshipping to a whole new level. It's easier than it's ever been before. So I have early access to, this is called Doba Pilot. So I've been using Doba for a lot of dropshipping things, and they're just launching it's an agent that will build your dropshipping store for you. So again, AI tools had made dropshipping even easier, but now it's just a conversation. You can have a chat with this agent. It's a Shopify agent, and get your dropshipping store set up. So there's really no excuses. If you've wanted to try dropshipping, now is the time. I don't know how it could be easier. So whenever I work with a new agent, I like to be polite. You don't know when these will become sentient. You don't know when they will turn on us. Hey, buddy, how are you? Build rapport, with your agent. Can I call you Chuck? Do you have a name you would prefer? All right, Chuck. That sounds like a good name for a dropshipping agent. So then I went through the process. I just said, I want to build a new home office accessories dropshipping store. Again, I like to pick topics that I would buy something. I don't buy a lot of stuff, but I spend, 90% of my life at this desk. That's an exaggeration. 70% of my life at this desk. So if I'm going to buy something, it's going to be a desk home office accessory of some kind. So again, nothing to click. I just type in, I want to build a new home office accessories dropshipping store. And I like this agent first, make sure it understands your needs. A lot of times AI agents guess what you're trying to do and they're very wrong. But yes, it's correct. Then it asks you some questions. And I like when agents do this too. It asks questions and lets you pick the selections because it just makes sure that you and AI are on the same page. So often AI gets running in its own direction and it's not the direction you were anticipating. It just wastes a lot of time. But yeah, I picked computers, office supplies. I like blue is my favorite color. And this looked like a nice home office, so I picked that as my store banner. Then it took me over to Shopify to start a free trial. So Shopify has a 3-day free trial. Then it's $1 a month for 3 months. And then whatever plan you decide after that. So I like Shopify does that because you don't have to pay unless you know, hey, I'm going to stick with this. I'm going to actually be making some money from it. But you create your Shopify account. Then there's a Shopify app. Doba Shopify app that you install. So that connects this agent with your Shopify store. And it's just one click. You just click install. And then once you hit install, it will say store connected successfully. And now Doba and your store are all connected. So then it asks for the URL of your store. And you can get that just by going to this little view your online store here. And you get the URL up here. And you can see that it did create it. So it used this blue, put the banner, got my store set up. So then I copy and paste that URL and then click build your store with AI. I'm going to have to let them know SOAR instead of store. So again, once that ran, store is all set up. So you have a dropshipping store. That is the easiest that I have set up a dropshipping store before. It even lets you know it took 15 seconds. So then I want to put some products in the store. So I said, find me 10 to 15 trending products for the home office niche. Focus on desk accessories, organization tools, and setup items that people actually want. So again, easiest to find a new product that I have experienced in dropshipping. So it found me 10 to 15 trending home office products and focused on desk accessories, organization tools, and setup items. So I picked a few of these. I just picked 3 of them. And I said, go ahead and list these to the store. And it found the store that I had just connected. It set the pricing for me. So it said do 1.2. They have a formula. Use the original price times 1.2 plus the shipping fee. And then this was a really cool feature. You can keep the original. So each of these has like a title and a description, but sometimes they're not the best. They're not optimized. So that you can even have this agent optimize titles and optimize descriptions right here, and it'll just do it. So for 3 products, it took about 2 minutes to get these listed. When I go into Doba, you can see I have these 3 products with their pricing, the optimized description and title and everything. And these are listed on my store. So again, we've gone from about, with the old AI tools, with traditional dropshipping, this would have taken me like 5 hours. No joke. With the old AI tools, this would have taken probably 30 minutes maybe. Now it's taking 30 seconds. So AI, what's it going to be next? 30 milliseconds? So, and this is in beta testing right now. By the time I launch this video, it should be unlocked and you have early bird pricing. And also, they are looking for feedback. They're looking for beta testers. In fact, you get 30 credits if you leave feedback on how it's working for you. So I would love for some of you to check this out, ai.doba.com. So I want to get as many of you going on creating. Just get going on creating something. I get questions all the time about dropshipping. I'm like, have you started? And the answer people give it, well, no, I'm still waiting. Stop waiting. Just try it. Go try it out. See what you can do. Make some progress. The next what I would like to do once you get a store going is I would like to focus on getting traffic to the store. So maybe running some ads. Again, we want to turn our dropshipping stores into ad machines, money-making machines where I pay $10 in ads, I make $20. So then I can scale, put $100 into ads, make $200, and you can scale up from there is kind of the goal. But MaxFusion, I've been using to create ads, and it's pretty amazing. But they have this thing called Copy Lab where you can just put in a ad that's already working, an ad that's working for someone. And then it really just puts together why this ad is working, what's the hook that they're using, what's the words that they're using, the whole structure. And again, the goal is not to just copy it, but it's to learn what's already working, and then you can use it for your products.
In Lincoln, and I was paying over $1,000 for a website that I couldn't even update. Then I found Lincoln Local Web. They built me a custom site in 48 hours, and it's only $49 per month.
But you can do AI-generated people with AI-generated audio. It looks really great. Here's one I made for my Get Lincoln Local.
I own a small business in Lincoln, and I was paying over $1,000 for a website that I couldn't even update. Then I found Lincoln Local Web. They built me a custom site in 48 hours, and it's only...
Honestly, getting to the point, it's hard to even tell.
I tried everything to get more customers. Been paid for until I just moved to a new apartment, and I'm so glad
So I mean, you can pick an actor and put together a script, and you can get real ads out in like a minute.
Tried everything to get more customers.
I might do a full video on MaxFusion because it was pretty cool. You can actually use Sora 2 and create like full commercial. I mean, this looks like a full commercial.
$450 for a website, $85 a month.
Has background music and everything.
Look at this amazing desk chair. It is so comfortable. Look at this amazing desk chair.
But this makes it super fast to put out different hooks, different angles, try different ads. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do a full video on getting traffic to your new Doba store. But first step is get your store going. Get a dropshipping store out there. ai.doba.com. Links all down below. Try it out. Leave them some feedback. Help them with their beta launch. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys very much. God bless, and have a great rest of your day.